I heard you received your first payslip. Do you have any question about it?
Good morning po. Yes, I do. This is my first job, so I don't understand everything written in my own payslip.
That's completely okay. Many first-time employees feel the same way. Let's go through it together.
Thank you. First, what is gross pay?
Gross pay is your total earnings before any deductions. Kasama na rito ang basic salary, overpay, allowances, at iba pang additional earnings.
So, bakit po mas maliit ang natanggap kong salary kaysa sa gross pay?
Because they are deductions. These are required by law and they are deducted from your gross pay.
Ano-ano ang deductions na yan?
First, you have SSS contribution for retirement, sickness, disability, and other benefits. Second, PhilHealth contribution for medical and hospital benefits. Third, Pag-ibig contribution for saving and housing loans. And last, withholding tax. This is collected by the government depending on your income.
Kaya pala, akala ko naman sa salary ko.
No, that's normal. These deductions are for your future benefits and legal obligations.
Ano naman po ang net pay?
Net pay is your final salary after all the deductions. Ito ang amount na papasok sa bank account mo o matatanggap mo.
I noticed may nakalagay ding pay period. What does that mean?
The net period tells you the dates covered by your salary. Halimbawa, kung June 15 to June 30 ang nakalagay, iyon ang period na binabayaran sa payslip na ito.
I understand now. So it's important to check my payslip every payday.
Exactly. Always review your payslip to make sure your salary, overtime, allowances, and deductions are correct.
What should I do if I find an error?
Just report it to the HR department immediately. We'll verify and correct if it needed.
Thank you very much. Malinaw na po sa akin kung paano basahin ang payslip.
You're welcome. If you have more questions in the future, don't hesitate to ask. We're here to help.
Thank you, Mom. I'll make sure to review my payslip every payday.
Great. Welcome to the company and congratulations to your first salary.
Thank you. Have a great day.
You too.
Go. Go.
Great.
Go.
Balik.
Go.
Thank